everybody, Cherish the Messy Painter here, and I am doing guitar number 2. The first one I did was an electric guitar cutout, and this one is an acoustic version. I have a bunch of colors mixed up. I have Bronze by Amsterdam. I have Deco Art Gold. I have Pearl Yellow by Amsterdam. I have Pearl White mixed with Titanium White. And then my other color is this fun one right here. This is Cranberry Cocktail by Folk Art. And this is a paint and primer in one. And I thought that would be a good base for this. Whatever I put down, this is going to soak it up right away for my base. This has been gessoed twice. It has been sanded twice. And it is on canvas risers so that I'm all set and ready to go. It is extremely level. I was a little nervous about the neck on the electric guitar, and it ended up being fine, so I'm not anticipating this one's going to be a problem. I have 2 different blow dryers I'm using today. This one has less power than this one. However, I like this one because it has a cool button on it, so we'll see which one I end up liking. Who knows? So, wish me luck. I hope this one is as much fun as the first one I did. If you haven't seen that video, you gotta go check it out. That was a lot of fun. All right, here I go. Wish me luck. Okay, as you can see, I completely struggled with that area, but I actually love it now. Scraping it completely and starting all over again was the best thing to do for that area, and I love it now. I love the whole thing. I'm very happy. I might change one thing. Oh my God. Now I love it. I wanted more wispiness up there. Now I love it. There's not a lot of white going up the neck on purpose. I was afraid it was going to just turn the whole neck pink, so this is what it is. God, I love this part right here. Oh, I just love that part. And I think that's my favorite part of the last one too. All right, well, we will see how it dries. All right, wish me luck, it dries great. It is done. It is dry. It is super glossy. It is so cool. I actually thought it was still wet 2 days after it was done because of how shiny it was. I was warning my family, like, stay away from it. It's still wet, and it wasn't. That is because of Creative Inspirations Polymer Gloss Medium and Varnish that I had put in every single color. Now, I'd only put, I mean, barely half part compared to the paint and the Floetrol. So I didn't put that much of it in there, and it still created this awesome gloss. So I am definitely gonna play around with that some more, maybe even in my next beach painting. But this is just so cool. I'm glad that the neck here, that did not turn out to be a complete mess, because that's the direction it was going. The shine in the metallics is just really awesome. It's got this ghost color to it right here off the sides. I am super happy with this. I have another guitar to do. I would love some color suggestions. If you could leave the anything you can think of in the comments below, and I will take a look at them and maybe combine some new color combinations. I would love that if you would leave me some suggestions. I hope you all liked this video. It was a little messy for sure. And if you did, please give me a thumbs up, and I will see you all in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.